Introduction. What is XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus? This video will give an overview of our product, including what it is, the advantages of offering it, what qualifies our process as a primary treatment, regulations limiting what can be said about our product, and common questions you'll receive from customers. The video titled Customer Service covers similar information. This video series is an introductory training course intended to give a better understanding of the use of our product. It is meant to assist with each company's internal training and is not meant to be interpreted as a complete training program. Your company trainer may use these videos to assist in training inspectors and applicators. Any employees viewing these videos should refer any questions they have to their company trainer or trainers. XT-2000 Inc. is available to assist trainers should they have any questions or require additional training. What is XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus? XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus is a natural occurring essential oil containing the active ingredient d-limonene. This citrus oil is derived from the rind of an orange and is used in a variety of products, from pet flea and tick shampoos to household cleaners. XT-2000 is 95% pure d-limonene. When extracted, the grade level is determined by the process used. We have orange peels distilled to produce a high purity level of technical grade d-limonene. An amazing property of XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus is its ability to actually wick through wood. Its natural capability of traveling through the porous cells in all directions, even defying gravity. XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus will not only treat the areas into which it is injected, but will soak into the surrounding areas of the treated board, also ensuring an effective and thorough treatment each and every time. This is why XT-2000 is 95% pure d-limonene. When you decrease its purity with other ingredients, it loses that natural capillary capability by blocking and clogging the porous cells, which minimizes absorption into the wood. When injecting into drywood termite infested wood, our product will kill termites and their eggs on contact. Should termites avoid physical contact with XT-2000, they will also die from ingesting wood recently treated. Prolonged exposure to vapors of d-limonene will have an eradicating effect on them as well. This clip gives a brief demonstration of our product. Its unique properties allow it to move effectively through the wood to reach termites where they hide. Watch as orange oil is injected. It immediately begins spreading out and wicking through the wood. Once it reaches termite galleries, it will kill termites and eggs on contact. XT-2000 Orange Oil treats homes for termites without the introduction of hybrid chemicals. There is no need to tend or move out of your home, and all that is left is a clean scent of oranges. Advantages of offering XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus to your customers. XT-2000 is competitively priced and allows more net income potential. A greater potential for annual contract renewal. Minimal risk of chemical exposure for technicians and the consumer during the treatment process. Some homeowners refuse to fumigate. You can service these customers by offering a least toxic, proven effective option. Larger structures with numerous tenants, such as duplexes or apartment complexes, are difficult and costly to fumigate. XT-2000 is a great option. Customer referral base grows due to the convenience of not having to move out during treatment, saving the homeowner move-out costs and hassle. There exists a large base of potential customers looking for least toxic methods, integrated pest management, to fumigating. XT-2000 is an effective IPM method for treating drywood termites. So why not have XT-2000 and make these customers your own? XT-2000 can be a more convenient method of providing your customers with a clearance during the escrow process. XT-2000 does not require contacting local utility authorities to shut off gas and electricity to a building. XT-2000 provides an immediate kill, unlike baiting methods which require termites to come in contact with the product before transferring it to others in the colony. XT-2000 moves through wood with its capillary effect, ensuring a thorough treatment. Hassle-free. No tent treatment means you get to avoid the hidden costs and hassle of traditional treatment methods. Some of these associated costs are lodging, pet boarding, cost to replace discarded food, medicines, dining expenses, lost wages due to preparation. How much can all of these add to your final cost? What makes XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus a primary treatment? The use of fiber optic or true optic technology is essential to make an XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus a primary treatment option. Understanding the laws in your state. In California, the Structural Pest Control Act, Title 16, Division 19, Article 5, explains the difference of an all-encompassing, local, and what defines primary treatment. What makes a primary treatment? Summary of the law. If evidence indicates that wood-destroying pests extend into inaccessible areas, recommendations shall be made to either use 1. An all-encompassing method, such as fumigant, 2. An all-encompassing product, such as heat, or 3. To use a local treatment product that will expose or remove the infestation. What makes XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus process a primary treatment? XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus falls into the third category, to use a local treatment product that will expose or remove the infestation. Our process includes the use of both XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus and the borescope. The borescope is a visual tool that makes previously inaccessible areas of infestation visible, without having to remove parts of the structure to access the areas. We can see into them with optics. Without the use of any optics or visual device, XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus or any other product under this section of the law cannot be considered a primary treatment and would be considered secondary substandard. What can and cannot be said? According to the US EPA, certain words and phrases cannot be used to describe any pesticide product. Generally, any word or phrase that implies that the product is safe is not allowed because they are used to kill something. Examples of what not to say: safe, natural, all natural, green, harmless, non-toxic, biodegradable, pet-friendly, kid-friendly, landscape-friendly, environmentally friendly. What you can say instead. XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus is the least toxic, reduced impact product. XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus is made from orange rinds. XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus is 95% pure delimonene. XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus is made from a renewable resource. Low impact, reduced risk. Per California Structural Pest Control Board, comparing XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus to fumigation is not allowed. It is also against regulation to refer to treatment with XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus as an all-encompassing treatment. Examples of what not to say. Alternative. XT-2000 works as well as fumigation. Whole house treatment. Please check for the regulations in your state. What you can say instead. XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus works as well as traditional treatment methods. It offers a great no-tent option for treatment. With XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus, you get a warranty to match any in the industry without the hassle of moving out. Whole house warranty, whole structure warranty. We locally treat the area of infestation with the scope and inject method, and we provide a whole house warranty. Common questions. What does XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus smell like? Oranges, plain and simple. How long do I smell it? Typically 4 to 5 days. Will your treatment provide a clearance for me if I decide to sell my home? Yes. Where do you get XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus? We distill orange rinds and extract the oil. Delimonene is a chemical name for orange oil. It's a renewable resource and is a byproduct of the orange juice manufacturing. How do termites enter my home? Drywood termites infest dry, undecayed wood. They establish new colonies. Winged reproductors will swarm to expose wood on the exterior of nearby buildings or other structures. What is a drywood termite swarm? Termites go through a simple metamorphosis with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Within 4 to 5 years of the establishment of a colony, up to 87% of the adults grow wings and become male and female reproductives. These winged termites will exit the colony in a swarm. This usually occurs seasonally on sunny days during late summer and fall months. Can swarmers be found in a newly completed building? The majority of requests for inspection are in homes 10 years or older. A new home with swarmers would suggest that the wood used during construction was infested or became infested during construction. A colony will swarm within 4 to 5 years of being established. If a swarm occurs sooner than 5 years of a new building, we know that the colony was established in the structured timbers prior to completion of the structure. How do you know which wall swarmers come from? Termites are blind, but they can sense the light and head towards it. The location of swarmers would provide evidence of the point of origin. Termites glide toward the light. They are not the best flyers. They more flutter than fly. How can you look inside walls without opening them up? Using a borescope. We verify the presence of drywood termites by locating their waste. We determine which areas need to be scoped due to the other infestations located during the inspection. Termites have to create a kickout, a small hole which they kick out their waste. Kickouts will occur up to 30 inches apart in an area that is infested. How do you find all the termites, and how do you know you'll kill all of them? A quality inspection is the key to an efficient and effective treatment of XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus. Drywood termites cannot hide from a quality inspection. Termites may be living in inaccessible areas such as wall voids. An inspector with the basic knowledge of the entomology of the species will be able to determine these possible areas of infestation. During the treatment phase, further inspection of an inaccessible area using tools such as borescopes will allow access and identification of any additional infestations. If there are no visible signs of infestation, then nothing can be called. Is XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus a primary treatment? A primary treatment is when a whole structure is under warranty. There are only 3 primary treatments for drywood termites: fumigation, heat, and XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus with the use of optic technology. Is there a difference in companies that offer no-tent treatment? Any other no-tent treatment used without optic technology would be considered a secondary substandard recommendation. A secondary treatment only warranties the treated areas, not the whole structure. Once the termites are located, how does XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus kill termites? With the drill and treat method, a technician will apply enough XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus to saturate the infested wood member. Once saturated, the orange oil will wick through the wood, getting to all those hard-to-reach areas. And once XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus comes in contact with termites, it's lights out. How does XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus work compared to fumigation? We use a precise, comprehensive drill and treat method. The capillary action of XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus works in many ways like fumigation, but without the same risks. XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus moves through the wood like a gas along the path of least resistance, filling up a treated piece of wood until termites have no place to hide. Unlike fumigation, XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus treatments are specifically targeted to the area of infestation, so you do not need to move out. How can drill and treat methods be effective if you do not apply XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus to every piece of wood in my house? Termite colonies are localized to infested boards. If there is no evidence of infestation, then the piece of wood is free and clear of termites. There is no need to treat every board, only the infested ones. Once located, won't any other pesticide kill all the termites? There is no guarantee that other pesticides will eradicate all the termites, even if they are located. We know from years of experience with XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus that it kills not only the termites but the eggs too. With the natural capillary effect, XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus will completely saturate a treated board of wood. Do heat treatments work? Yes, but the time and labor cost is reflected in your bill for the treatment. It takes 6 to 8 hours to heat a piece of wood internally to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, the pre-treatment preparation required of the homeowner is extensive, and if not completed properly, heat can be extremely damaging to property, such as plastics, electronics, and many other items. Is XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus flammable? XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus has a fire hazard rating of 2, which is for combustible liquids with a flash point of 100 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Under the NFPA and the HMIS system of hazard ratings, XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus is not much of a fire hazard as a product rated as flammable. Under DOT regulations, XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus is classified as a Class 3 flammable substance with a flash point of 119 to 123 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are some common household products with a higher fire hazard rating. Raid, flying insect killer, a 4. Febreze, air freshener, a 3. Cascade, dishwasher detergent, 4. A flash point means that the liquid has to be heated to the temperature or higher for the vapors to burn. Technically, it is not the oil that is igniting, it is the vapors. Only if the temperature of the oil is in the range or higher and there is an ignition source present will the vapors ignite. It is not an auto-ignite at the flash point, i.e., it will not burst into flames if heated to the flash point. Because it is injected into wood structures, there is practically no danger of it catching fire after being injected into those structures. Once the oil is in the wood, the air temperatures need to be much higher to heat the oil within the wood to that flash point range. The likelihood to heat the oil to that range once it's in the wood is very low. The likelihood of both heating the oil to the range and having an ignition source present at the same time is considerably lower. How can spot treatments be effective if you do not apply evenly to every board? If there is no evidence of infestation, then the board is free and clear of termites. We do not need to treat every board, merely the infested ones. XT-2000 Orange Oil Plus does not need to be evenly applied to every board because with its natural capillary effect and our drilling patterns, it will completely saturate a treated board of wood. Can termites return to my house after treatment? Yes, termites can reinfest structures after any treatment, even with fumigation. Contrary to popular belief, fumigation is a one-time kill that does not prevent future infestation. If you use fumigation, future infestation means more chemicals, tenting, and moving out of your home. Termites are over 100 million years old, and they're not going away soon. No matter what treatment you choose, even ours, termites may find their way back. The best way to deal with termites is to think of the treatment as an ongoing maintenance. That is why we recommend annual inspections after initial treatment, which many of our affiliates offer as part of their warranty as well when using our product. What if termites return? At no additional expense under the warranty, the customer can request a service call, and that depends on the type of warranty offered. This concludes the presentation on introduction. Please continue to the quiz.